Okay, so now I've got it on the grinder, as you can see here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera on my head here and show you with the grinder what it's like. I mean, you can see that it's fairly oxidized and just looks like crap. And I'm just gonna do a quick one just to show you what the effect of it is. So I'm sure I'm supposed to do it a certain way, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but as you can see, it just rips through that stuff. And it's got some burrs on it, but I'm going to take those out because it probably had some loose pieces in the brush, and I'm going to take those out when I do the polish. But that's basically what it looks like. I'll come back when I do the polish and show it to you guys again.